Hey guys, it's been a long time since I've done a video, but being trapped inside during this corona time, there's really nothing better to do with my time than to try and review all the things that I've wanted to review. So, here we go. Today we're going to be talking about the August 735G over-the-ear headphones. I used to have an older version called the 650s, which I absolutely loved. They sounded great, they had a lot of bass and push, and the soundstage was very wide. You could wear them for a long period of time and they were very comfortable. So I had high expectations. So let's get into it with the unboxing. First of all, the box isn't very awe-inspiring. It's pretty plain, it looks generic. But on the right hand side of the box, you see pictures representing all the things that are inside, including the hard case and a plug for airline use. The front of the box shows the features of the headphones, including Qualcomm Aptx, which should allow for low latency playback during videos and games. Plus, one of the huge selling points of this headphones, especially at this price point, which is $57 by the way, is the fact that it includes active noise cancellation. Let's open up the box, and I have to apologize for my right hand. These home workouts aren't doing well for my knuckles. So the first thing we dig out is the warranty and manual, which are fold out. They don't like flip out, and they're pictorial, so they're easy to understand. But if you want nitty-gritty things, then they're not much help. Putting those aside, you see the hard case, which is actually quite difficult to dig out of this little nook case thing, but you just have to give it a yank from the top. Anyways, the case feels pretty solid with the logo extruded out into the case. It feels nice and durable, like it will last a long time. Anyway, opening this up, the first thing we see is the headphones, which we have the cups covered in these little bag things, which we'll put aside for now and look what else is in here. You see there's a small pocket inside holding firstly the audio splitter for use in those weird ports on the plane. You get a micro USB cable to charge it, and lastly the dual-sided 3.5mm cable for those who have phones or devices that still use that. You can also use the cable when the headphones are off, as in there's no Bluetooth connection. So just in case your battery dies or you just want to conserve that battery life, you can use the cable instead. Now let's get back to the headphones. They feel nice, they're light, they actually look a lot better and more premium than they do in the pictures on Amazon. I actually really love the red accent around the cups. And the cups and the headband is nice feeling, squishy, comfortable. Plus the cups have 2 points of articulation. So moving past the look of the box and the headphones and the aesthetics and all the stuff included, let's get to the most important part. Do they suck in terms of sound? And the short answer for that is, not really. The old EP650s lasted me 2 years. They sounded good with a very wide soundstage. These are loud and clean sounding. However, when it comes to bass, there's not much there. They're more balanced, and I think a lot of people would prefer that over the bass-heavy old EP650s. But if you're buying them like me because you liked your old EP650's sound profile, then these might come as a little bit of a disappointment. Now, the next thing is the active noise cancellation, which I can't say the same thing for. While it does work in eliminating some of the ambient noise, louder noises will still come through clear as day, and it will kind of feel like you're floating in space, but having those sounds still penetrate, which is a weird feeling. What I will say though is that the passive noise cancellation on these is pretty good. Once you put them over your ear, you feel that difference in sound level between what you're hearing on the outside, that ambient sound, and the music that you're playing inside. And also, if you're listening to music, you can barely hear anything that's going on around you, which, depending on situation, can be very good. And that's either with the active noise cancellation on or off. It's really pointing to how good the passive noise cancellation on these headphones is. All in all, these earphones are well worth the price of $57 on Amazon. I'd recommend you buy them so long as you aren't getting them because of the active noise cancellation. Anyways guys, please stay safe during this period. Please stay inside, wash your hands, and please like and subscribe. Also, if anyone from August sees this and wants to send me the EP750, please, just hit me up. Later guys.